Alright folks, here we go. Nice winter day, fishing with a larger like 1.25 inch bobber. Red and white crappie jig. Here we go with a red head. Caught one and just lost it on my very first cast. Second cast didn't do very well, so I'm going to try it. As you can see, it's kind of snowing out here. We got a little bit of flurries going on. Alright, I'm going to try it out. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Let me get stuff in. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Right there. Right there. That's what we're looking for right here. Good crappie. Cast. Make a move. There he got it. He's got it. Got him. Yeah. There we go. Get up here. Yeah, another good one. Big old crappie. There we go. That's what we're out here for. Look at that right there. Somebody wants you. I don't want to touch you. Ooh! 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 Now I gotta touch the freaking water. Alright, I didn't get a chance to record this, but look what I got. That is a slab. That's a slab. That's a nice fish. Yeah. Yeah, don't. Not safe to be out here swimming, man. I'm telling you. What? I said it's not safe to be out here swimming. You know, they got rules against that down here. The polar bear dip was like a couple weeks ago. Right? Yeah, you late. Yeah. Matter of fact, there goes the sign-up table over there. Sign-up table. Yeah. Yeah, you did good. If you had an iPhone 6, you'd have been going to the store again. Oh, there's a voicemail here. Probably that crappie that was using your phone. Yeah. The crappie is calling me. Yeah. Wow. Very cool. Yeah, I tried down there by the bathroom, but I ain't get nothing. I figured you got them trained on them crappie nibbles. Oh. Someone calling me. Oh, Bob. Do you know Bob? Who? Bob Moeller. No, I don't know him. He got a boat. Oh, does he? Okay. Trying to see where the fish are.
I'm done.
Yeah, my hand's getting cold too, but.
My hand. I think the morning is much colder.
Yeah, I gotta get ready for my trip.
Oh.
There we go. Bring this buddy here. Come here. There we go. Little one. Stop, Bob. You're not supposed to copy me, man. Oh, yeah, Bob did copy me. That bluegill. All right, have a good one, man. Stay dry.